Good day, everyone. Welcome to our maths class. Today's topic, fraction of quantity for non-unit fraction. For our starter activity, we have the fraction draw. Which of these pictures show 2/3? A, B, C, D, E, F, or G? Pause the video and write your answers. Time is up. The answers are letters A, C, and F. Today's learning objective is to calculate non-unit fractions of a quantity. Success criteria: I can identify the calculation needed. I can divide the amount by the denominator. I can multiply by the numerator. And I can solve fraction problems involving non-unit fraction of quantities. What do we mean by non-unit fractions? A non-unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator of any number apart from 1. As we all discussed last time, a fraction has two parts. The top number is called the numerator, and the bottom number is called the denominator. If a fraction has different number aside from 1 as numerator, that is called non-unit fraction, just like these fractions below. Now, how are we going to get the quantity of the non-unit fraction from a number? Just for instance, how can we find 2/5 of 30? All right, so on these fraction problems, we can apply the same steps as we had for the unit fraction. Okay, so again, we have to look at the denominator and the whole number. Then divide the big number by the denominator. So we have 30 divided by 5, and that is equal to 6. And the answer from that will be multiplied by the numerator, which is 2. So times 2. The answer now is 12. That is one way of getting the fraction of the number. Let's suppose to have these. So you may have different way like this. So instance 2/5 of 30. So we have 5 as our denominator. So you can make 5 groups. And the 30 as the full number, we can distribute that one in 5 groups. So then count 2 groups because as this the numerator. So we have the 2 groups here, which is highlighted. So 6 plus 6 makes 12. The answer is still the same. However, I always ask my class to do the times table. So for instance, we got 2/5 of 30 table. So we got 2/5 of 30. Okay, so count the times table of 5 because that is our denominator. Make a tally. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So you got 6. Okay, then multiply it by our numerator. 6 times 2 makes 12. So 2/5 of 30 is 12. Very easy. Let's suppose to have 3/5 of 25. Again, you may have 5 groups and distribute 25 from each group. Then count 3 of these parts. So we got 5 plus 5 plus 5 makes 15. Easy, right? Or again, you may do the times table of 5 until you reach 25. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is still the same. Now it's your turn to solve. How much is 2/6 of 30 and 3/5 of 25? Pause the video and calculate the answers. All right, time is up. Let's reveal the answers. 2/6 of 30 is 10. Again, you can do the times table of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. So we got 5. Then 5 times 2 makes 10. Now, let's have 3/5 of 25. All we have now is 5 as our denominator. Now skip counts of 5 till you reach 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Again, we got 5 times 3. So the answer is 15. Let's find out if our answer is the same. Yes, so there are 15 sweets. Very easy. You may apply different ways, which one you are comfortable. Now, I would like you to try these, solve these fraction problems, and choose the correct answer. Pause the video and do the activity. Time is up. Now let's reveal the answers. All right, so for the first fraction problem, the answer is 9. So we have 4 times table, 4, 8, 12. 3 times 3 makes 9. Here is 5. 5, 10, 15. 4 times 3 is 12. And here is 3, 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, 15, 18. So we got 6 times 2. The answer is 12. And finally, 6 times table. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. We got 3. Okay, I mean 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So the answer is 15. And finally, I'm going to ask you a word problem involving fractions. I will read to you the question first, then I will give you time to solve the fraction problem. Claudia cooks 20 pies. Her family eat 2/5 of them. How many pies do Claudia's family eat? Pause the video and calculate the answers. Time is up. Now let's find out. 2/5 of 20. Okay, this equals 2, 5, 10, 15, 20. So we have 20. So 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 8. Simple as that. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Have a great day. Always remember, be the best you can. Bye.